Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So first of all, I just tell you that this question was part of 6 January 2024 IELTS exam in India. So this can be repeated anywhere in my neighboring country also, and this same question was last year also, it had come in IELTS exam. So when you will get these kinds of questions, so what kind of vocabulary you are going to use, what kind of tense you are going to use, and like how to write introduction and overall paragraph and body detail paragraph, and many students are having problem in creating 150 or 140 words also for this diagram process. So I will tell you what you have to do after getting this kind of question statement. Okay, so let's start it. Within 10 minutes I will try to cover all the things. Okay, I have got this question statement here. So in my exam, suppose this is my question, what I will be doing? Of course, I will just looking at the picture diagram. So the name of the diagram is simple water filter. Okay, so here the arrow is here, impure water. So from this bottle, this impure water is pouring into this container. So this container, you can assume it as a metal or glass container. Okay, so here there are different types of layers are there: sand layer, charcoal layer, gravel layer, and one pipe I can see it coming out from just from the bottom of the container and here upper of the tank. So water is coming out from here and here. So what is the process? First, water will go inside this pot container, you can say water is there, and it will undergo this first layer and this second layer and then third layer. It means when it comes to third layer, water is clear. From here, water is transferring from this container to this storage, drinking water storage tank. This is tank, and tap is there, and after when water, it will come water here. When the water is here, then definitely we can take out pure water, drinking water from the tap. So this is the thing. Okay, now let's read vocabulary. So vocabulary, yes, container, this is tank, 3 layers, this is bottle, and pipe. Okay, so common thing we have come to know. Now we can just put some adjective with them. Container, so container, you can use metal container or crystal or glass container, glass container. Okay, anything you can use it, or you can, instead of container, you can use pot. And layers, these are the layers. Okay, pipes, these are the, not pipe, one pipe is there. Okay, so pipe is there, I can see. So pipe, you can see, because this is foldable angle kind of thing is there. So angled metal or plastic pipe, you can write anything, but not don't write metal also, plastic also. No, only use one, either plastic or metal. Now for layers, you can use filtered layers, filtering layers, or filtered water. This is filtered water. Okay, now let's read the question statement, and of course what we are going to use it for everything. Wherever I just noted down, wherever I have done this blue color line, it means these are the lines you can use it for any process diagram. I am telling you, you can use it, because in every process diagram there will be steps. Okay, so beginning from this and which ends with the dash, this thing. So let's start it. Let's read the question statement first. Until then, you can subscribe, like, and just write a beautiful comment on this channel. Thank you so much in advance. So let's read the question statement. The diagram below illustrates how a simple water filter is constructed and how it functions to produce clean drinking water. Write a report. Okay, so till here, from here to here, it is question statement. How to write question statement? Yes, of course. We have to paraphrase the question statement, and already they have given good phrase, how also they have used and how also. So but we have to just paraphrase it. Okay, so let's do it. So you know the time is here. Time is 20 minutes. You should not spend more than 20 minutes, otherwise you will get late for your task 2. Okay, so let's start with this. Here the diagram, so instead of diagram I have added adjective. The given diagram, the presented diagram, you can write. Instead of below, I have written, no, below I have not written anything. Illustrate, instead of illustrates I have written depicts. Okay, how a simple water filter is constructed. So I have written depicts the process of producing clean drinking water through the water filter components. Now here I have forgotten to write like or such as water filter components like container, sand, charcoal. You can write these names here because from where I am getting it. Whatever is written in the things are given in the ingredients are given in the diagram. You can just write it in introduction. Okay, so like container, filter components, container, sand, charcoal, and gravel was given, and gravel, and as well as you can add pipe also, metalled pipe or folded pipes you can write. Okay, so it's all your wish. Okay, now we have given introduction. Now overall paragraph, what we can see from here, water is impure water is going like two steps, from where it is starting and from where it is ending. So it is initiated with the pouring of impure water into the container and ends with tap, from where we can just take out clean drinking water. Okay, so overall paragraph. Overall, it can be seen from the picture that there are numerous steps in the given process. Initiated means beginning from pouring impure water into the big pot or container. You can write which ends. Now same line sentence structure you can write it for any process diagram, which ends with the pure water from the tap. Okay, which ends with the pure water from the tap. So that I have given for the overall statement. You can give overall what we can see, pouring of impure water into the container and ends with tap water, means tap drinking water. So this is overall. Now we will start from this first process. So in first body paragraph, what we are going to write, analyzing the crystal, or so I will just write metal pot. Okay, or glass pot you can write. Analyzing the metal pot or container which contains three different materials like sand, charcoal and gravel in the first step. Now I have given what this pot is containing, three things. Now first step we are going to discuss. In the first step, impure water is put into the metal pot. See this, I am showing you full diagram. Analyzing the first step, or you can analyzing the metal pot, or you can analyze initiating with the first step. You can write analyzing the metal pot which contains three different materials like sand, charcoal and gravel in the first step. Now in the first step, from where water is coming, impure water is put into the metal pot. So this is passive voice, but put verb, you know, it is same. Put into the metal pot with the bottle. Okay, in this I am assuming it as a bottle. In this container, water is passed through first layer, which is sand, sediments, means that is said sediments. Afterwards charcoal layered bed, afterwards this is charcoal, and finally gravel layer where water is settled temporarily. Okay, so this is final. So you can use in the first step, and then afterwards, and then finally. So I for three steps I have used these words. You can use another words also. Now next diagram, that is here, from here to here. Furthermore, an angled metal pipe is there which helps in sucking the clean water to the final second container. Now this is a drinking water storage tank. Now container, I am giving definition of this container. What is this? This is a drinking water storage tank where a tap is attached to the bottom part bottom part of the storage tank. Here a crystal clear drinking water can be taken out for drinking. See this, how I have written. Can be sentence structure is also we have used, and simple sentence structure is also, and this is passive voice is also there. So we have used everything over here. See this, and you can full essay you can see. So this is full essay, and including this vocabulary also and question statement, and this is introduction, this is overall paragraph, this is body part 1, and this is final body part 4. So I have written almost 150 words, so everything is fine. Okay.